Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add particle dissipate effect in CapCut. So tap on your project and select your photo you want to edit. So I'm going to open my project. Alright, to add the particle dissipate, you can click on the clip, select the style button, and you can find the particle dissipate. So just click on particle dissipate 2. Alright, so I'm going to copy the clip, and for the second one I'm going to add the particle dissipate 1. Just click check mark. So this is the final effect you'll have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.